How to turn on call recording on Android. This tutorial shows you how to enable it directly through your phone app settings. First, open the phone app on your Android device. From there, tap the three dots at the top right to open the menu. After that, tap Settings. At this point, look for call recording within the phone settings and tap on it. Following this, you'll see a toggle for automatic call recording along with options for recording specific types of calls. From here, tap the toggle to turn automatic call recording on. Once enabled, your device will automatically save recordings of incoming and outgoing calls going forward. At this stage, if you'd rather only record specific calls instead of every call, look for a record button or icon within the call screen itself during an active call and tap it manually instead. Keep in mind call recording laws vary by location, so make sure it's legal to record calls where you are, especially without informing the other person first. That's how you turn on call recording on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.